Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Park the Ford Ecosport on level ground and engage first gear with the handbrake applied. Never work on a slope. Place wheel chocks on the opposite wheel and set hazard lights to warn traffic. Wear gloves and eye protection to prevent cuts and debris injuries. Confirm your jack capacity is at least 1,000 kg, 1 ton, and position it under the vehicle's jacking point behind the front or ahead of the rear wheel as specified in the owner's manual. Keep the 17mm wrench and wheel brace handy. Open the rear door fully and support it to prevent movement while you work. Locate the spare tire mounted on the tailgate. Remove the plastic cover by pulling clips or releasing the latch. Expose the center retainer nut. Rotate it counterclockwise using the wheel brace or 17mm wrench to loosen the bolt retaining the spare. Once loosened, lift the tire clear of the mount while supporting its weight with both hands. Place the spare on the ground beside the car, with the valve stem upward for easier handling. Before lifting the vehicle, loosen the wheel nuts 1/2 turn while the wheel is still touching the ground to prevent spinning. Position the jack at the manufacturer jacking point and raise the car until the wheel clears the ground by about 3-5 inches. Remove the wheel nuts and swap the flat for the spare, aligning studs and reinstalling nuts by hand. Lower the vehicle and tighten the nuts in a crisscross pattern to the manufacturer torque specification. Stow the flat tire, jack, and wrench securely in the boot, and remount the spare on the tailgate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.